We're gonna quickly find out the ingredients for this dish. So इसमें हम क्या डालेंगे? What are the ingredients?
To make this Mallipuram, we need to take onions, garlic, cashew nut, peanut, grated coconut, coriander, ginger, fresh mint, mustard seeds, curry leaves, and green chilies.
Absolutely, and we're gonna make a very fine paste out of this, and that's gonna be the key ingredient of this particular dish. And let me tell you a bit trivia about this dish. Mallipuram is basically a region in Kerala, and that's where this dish is deriving its name from, and that's why it's called boneless crab Mallipuram. And since it's boneless, we also have boneless crab meat over here, as well as some clarified butter. So now it's time to move on to the kitchens of Mahesh Lunch Home and prepare this exotic dish. So let's head to the kitchen.
So I've got chef's special permission to cook today. So here I am starting off by preparing a paste for this gravy. Step number 1. For the paste, we add freshly chopped garlic and some green chilies. To this, we'll add some freshly chopped coriander, some mint leaves, and of course, peanuts. And now it's time to add some onions, some curry leaves, and a piece of ginger. And trust me, as a beginner, it feels fabulous to learn to cook. And of course, life becomes really simple when you have the Philips food processor, in which we're going to make the paste for boneless crab Mallipuram.
And after grinding all the mixture, all the ingredients together, you get a paste which is something like this. Now we're gonna make boneless crab Mallipuram with this paste.
Firstly, we'll add some butter to the pan. Now it's time to add some curry leaves into the dish, which you'll see in most of the dishes in South India. And in goes some finely chopped onions.
We're now going to heat it till the onions become golden brown.
And now it's time to add the super interesting paste that we made at the beginning of the recipe. And once the masalas are cooked, it's time to add some water to the gravy to get the desired consistency. And now it's time to add some freshly grated coconut to give that authentic South Indian flavor, along with some fresh coriander. And now we'll add some crab meat into the recipe, and once it's cooked, your dish is ready to serve.